So we have just heard some of your classmates reading the story that we are going through today. The story by the name of Sanjin. Sanjin is the name of the boy that we are reading about today. That was good work. The reading very clear, loud, and I would like to mention some of you did quite well. Emily spoke very clearly, and of course I must not forget our Farah, the drama boy. He's always so strong in his expressions, and he brings out life into the story. He breathes life into whatever he reads. That's quite important, and I hope that some of you will be able to learn from him his methods. Now what we want to do is to go on with the next part of the lesson, and that is to look at the whole story Sanjin. So first of all, I'd like to introduce you this point of view. Every writer of a story, of a narrative, has got a point of view. A point of view meaning whether he's writing as himself. For example, if I'm writing about myself, I say I. The story will be about I and me. But if I'm writing second person, that means you. You did this, you did that, you did whatever. So this is a second person. And lastly, the third person point of view is about he, she, they, about other people. So this writer, when he wrote this story, he used a third person perspective, right? And we are going to use a mind map to find out more about his stories, find out about the ideas that he has sprinkled into the story. Shall we start? Please open your iPads, go to Cougar. Remember Cougar, the app, the browser-based app that we used the previous few lessons, right? Every one of you will use your iPad. So as I go through this mind map, what you need to do is to plot the mind map into your Cougar, and then we move on from there. Okay? So we always start with, yes, Dylan, a circle. Yes, mind map, I always start with this circle. That's my favorite thing to do. So this circle I'll put somewhere here. Alright, so this is a story about Sanjin. Now, let me just ask some of you for your ideas, the ideas that you learned from this story, the ideas about the story. Let's start with, yes, Adele? Okay, right. So this is about a boy living in Hougang. Right, what else? Adele? He has a sister. Elder one or younger one? Elder one, right? Adele, elder sister. Right. Shall I ask someone else? Yes, Gwen. Yeah. You're beaming today. You're very happy. Okay, good. Tell me more about the story. Right? Oh, the principal caned him. Let me see. Principal caned him. What else? Oh yes, Gwen again. Right, he has a Digimon 5. Let me see. Digimon 5. Yes, Emmanuel. Right. Okay. He's got a tuition teacher. And the name? What was the name of the teacher? Mr. Tan, right? Mr. Tan. Who else wants to volunteer information? Yes. right? Okay, so what happened was the principal wanted to see him again. Is it the same one or different time? Right, principal. And what did the principal do? The principal praised him. Right? What else about him? Who else? Yes, Alisa. Oh, he passed his exams and subjects. Pass. What did he pass? English, Maths, Science. English, Maths, Science. Okay, pass 3 subjects. That's very good. That's very good. What else? Yes, Javier. He hit his test results, but he passed. Oh, earlier on, he hit his, let's see, hit test results. That means you really understood the story. That's very good. What other things? The main ideas that I would like to hear about, something that's peculiar to him. Yes, Julius. Oh, he's scared of what? Scared of leaves. Wow, scared of leaves. Oh, that's strange. Some more? Any other things? Julius again? He talked to himself. You mean he talked to himself in the toilet or something like that? Oh yes, okay. Talk to himself. Some more? Anyone else? Yes? No more? Yes? Okay. His elder sister, secondary one. What year was that? 1998. Okay. Thanks everyone. So this part is very important. 1998. So that from that piece of information, we can tell that this story was set in the 1990s. So 1990s. That's about 30 years ago. So different time, different place. But what we want to do now is to make sense of this author's writing. It's a bit messy, right? All the information presented here and there. That's the author's style. As he goes on telling his story, he sprinkles a bit of background here and there. So we have to make sense of this. So how do we make sense of this? We categorize his ideas into groups. So let me start the ball rolling. I use a blue color pen. From what I can see is okay, education. So I use blue for education, blue color. Okay, education, pass. Right. Hit exam results. What else? Tuition. Right. So that's that. So education. Can someone try and give me another category? Yes? Yes? Okay. Enya says family. Yes, family. So we have family living in Hougang, elder sister, this family. What else? That's all right. And one more category. I just need one more category. Jonathan. Behavior. Okay, correct. Can do. I use a red color for behavior. He talked to himself. Behavior. So where else we have behavior? Scared of leaves. Right? Our principal caned him. That means he did something bad, right? Something to do with behavior. Here, principal praised him. That means he did something very good. So the principal is praising him. So we have 3 different categories. Now, let's use a method to present the information very clearly. Let me just show you one method. We'll learn more about this method next lesson. Let me just write here. What is his problem and what is the solution? So my method is very simple. We look at the story through problem and solution. So let me draw a timeline for you. One timeline. So what's the problem? Yes, Emmanuel? Right. The problem is he failed he hit his test results, right? So failed exam.